We are going to be making Mexican white cheese dip just like they serve in a Mexican restaurant. So I've got all the ingredients here that I'm going to be putting it in. So I got some American cheese here. I got a block of it here. Got about a pound of it, 16 ounces from Walmart. It can be any kind of American cheese that you want. And I got some green chilies here. They were already cut up in the can, so I just drained the juice with my hands and put the peppers back in the can. I got a little bit of onion that I cut up. And I got some Pico de Gallo that I bought at Aldi. I'm not going to use it all because I'm actually making beef soft tacos. So I'm going to use part of it for that. But I'm actually going to put some of it in my cheese mixture. A little bit of extra virgin olive oil we're going to use. Some salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. Some cornstarch to help thicken it up. And some whole milk, and you can use cream too, or any kind of milk that you want. So these are all the ingredients. So I put a little bit of olive oil in here in the pot, and some chopped onion, not much, and half of my Pico de Gallo here, and I put some salt and pepper to it. So I'm gonna cook it for a few minutes and stir it in with the olive oil. Probably no more than 5 minutes. As you can see here, it's cooking. And I've been stirring it up. Okay, I just put a tablespoon of cornstarch. You can put an extra tablespoon if you like. So I'm just kind of stirring it in the mixture here. This will help thicken the sauce up. Okay, now I'm going to be cutting the block of American cheese here. I'm just going to be cutting this with a knife. You can see here how I cut it into little blocks of cheese, and I'll just be dropping this in the pot. And of course it'll be more cheese than this. So I cut the cheese up into little blocks here and put it over all the vegetables that I had in there in the pot. And I also seasoned it with onion powder and garlic powder and a little bit of salt and black pepper. And you can put other seasonings in here if you like. And so I got a cup of milk over here, so I'm going to be pouring a cup of milk in it. And depending on how thick or thin it is, will determine whether or not if I add more milk to it. And again, like I said, you can use cream or other types of milk if you like. And then as far as the cheese goes, I mean, I got this out of the deli at Walmart as a block of cheese. I mean, you can, probably use other cheeses if you like, but I think it's going to be better if you use block cheese, instead of shredded cheese. I think the mixture is going to be a lot better if you do it that way. And I think, my personal opinion, I think it's better when you get it from the deli too. So it's more fresh. So I poured the milk in, so now I'm just going to wait for it to heat up, and I'm going to keep an eye on it and eyeball it, and then I'm just going to be stirring it. Alright, so it looks like the cheese dip is about ready here. I like mine a little thick, so you can see the consistency here, and to thin it out you can just add more milk if you like. Make sure all the cheese is melted. Look at that cheese dip. Yum, yum. Look at that. That looks good. Yum, yum. Alright, so here's the cheese dip. Well, I wanted to say thank you so much for watching our video. We appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like and share our videos. Thanks so much.